Good morning and welcome back. This is day 5. It's 4:45 a.m. We're getting late. We're going to a new city called Albufeira. Wait, but let me do it. Let me do it. अभी पकड़ लो. Let's go. Platform and train एक बार confirm हो जाए, then we'll be relaxed. Thank you. This railway station is called Porto Campana. And यहाँ से we've taken the fast train which is called the Alpha Pendular. अगर व्यू अच्छा होगा then I'm gonna record some. And these trains are really on time. Like dot 5:40 this will leave. Welcome to Albufeira. We've just reached. It's 30 degrees. काफी धूप है यहाँ पे. एकदम चुभने वाली धूप है. The sun is really strong. So right now it's 11 o'clock. But जो हमारा Airbnb है, they're only allowing us to check in at 3:30. So we have like 4-5 hours to kill with this much luggage. This is peak Goa weather. हवा चल रही है definitely. It's a coastal area, but धूप चुभने वाली धूप है. Okay, so we finally managed to kill some time. It's 2:30 right now. हम स्पार गए, वहाँ से हम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लेके आए. Now we headed to our Airbnb and this is how the city looks. पक्का सामने वाला है. Let's go.
And the one looks, so don't move around. Be clever.
So it is perhaps 35 degrees, but it feels like fucking 40 degrees. That's how long we've been waiting out here. This Airbnb host has been the most unhelpful. Thankfully, the neighbors here are great. The apartment number is not clear. The lock box where you're supposed to do it, the location was unclear. There is a Petrovas residence and then there is a luxury Petrovas residence. He chose not to make it evident.
ये क्या 8279. कोई भी अगर एल्बुफेरा आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे आना है. इस केज के पास 8279 पासवर्ड है. चाबी लेके आराम से रहना. मेरा ऊपर है 8 तो बताना पासवर्ड.
8279
लगा हुआ है.
हो गया.
Magic.
चलो वापस बंद कर.
I found the keys. Hello and welcome back and welcome to Albufeira. So this is our property here. This is a little far away from the main city. So right in front of me is the beach. It's at least like 5 to 7 kilometers away from the main city. थोड़ा दूर है, but it's fine. You can always take an Uber and go and then come back. Transportation is not a problem here. Uber is readily available. So I'll give you a quick room tour. I tried to record some drone footage of the house. I don't know वो कैसी आई होगी, but I'll show you. It has 3 floors. It has a basement, ground floor and the first floor. So this is the porch area as I told you. This is a nice cute little pool. That's an outside dining area. This is the main living room. This is the kitchen.
This is our kitchen where all the wives like to cook and eat and give chai to our husband.
कल dinner किसने बनाया?
And we like to serve chai and coffee to our husband.
ऐसा
This is
कुछ
the
नहीं
place where we do it.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. कल dinner मैंने बनाया है. Floor है the first floor. and it has two rooms, one on the left, one on the right. This is the first room, bathroom, and this is the master bedroom. Hi guys. Big balcony है, छोटी सी है, but yeah, you can get the view of the entire society. This is the basement room. This is also quite spacious. This is how our Airbnb is. It's quite nice, quite cute, quite spacious. So all of us really liked it. It will be our home for the next 4 nights. Here in Albufeira for 5 days, 4 nights. Done a bit of a research on Google, and the best way to get to know the city is by a tuk-tuk. It'll take us to the main attractions, and wherever we want to stop, wherever we want to explore more, we can always tell them that we want to stop here. So this is going to be our first time experiencing and embracing this city. I've got some essentials for the beach. I got a pickleball kind of a thing, and I also got a football, Portugal की football. ये beach पे खेलेंगे. Cheers. So a quick outfit change because
Abhinav was not matching with our vibe and he was not looking up to the mark.
basically
So that's why he had to.
Pallavi ने थोड़ा pinkish whitish पहना है, so now you know.
Pink day.
You guys are
We
ready.
should have worn this for Pink Palace.
थोड़ा My bad. Thank you, sir. So we've reached the tuk-tuk spot. So this is the tuk-tuk that is going to take us to all the nearby attractions. It's called the Tony's Tuk-Tuk Tours.
Towards the old town, the other side of the old town, to the marina, to the fishing port, to a little lighthouse we have at the top, and then to a few beaches.
All right.
So, and then at the end, I have to go through the old town anyway.
In
so
any case, so we can decide then.
I don't think there's much view at the new town.
Okay, so you
I
recommend the
I
old
recommend
town.
the old town.
Okay, okay. But
It's
So
Yes,
he's
yes,
Tony.
yes,
So
yes.
he's Tony. He's going to take us to all these places. Pretty excited about it. Let's start.
That
Yeah, the
round
dome.
thing,
Yeah.
that's the stage. They've been having concerts since Friday. All the beaches. This is where all the fishing boats used to be until they built the marina where we're going now. Because all that area we're going to is a new area, especially after COVID.
Albufeira is a very famous place for English people to retire. So when people in England are about to retire, they try to find a house over here so that they can come here after retirement and live. All these retired people, they prefer the new town, but the old charm of the city lies in the old town.
This area. And this was going to be.
This is what?
It was just a big mountain, and they big.
Fourth stop,
Yeah.
we're going to the lighthouse. View to same ही है. So while walking to the lighthouse, we stumbled upon this house, and just look at this house. How beautiful it is. I don't know ये किसका घर है. Look at the way it is built, and look at the view this guy has.
Now I'm far away. These memories still remain.
I don't think it will be visible to you from here, but I can clearly see the color difference in the water. There are patches of light green, patches of light blue, dark blue. It's clearly visible from a naked eye, but I don't think the camera would be able to capture it. Errifsh,
But everyone calls it the Sardine Beach.
the sardine beach. That's
because
easier to
it's
say.
It's easier. And this restaurant has been here, I don't know, maybe more than 40 years.
Okay. So now we're at the fisherman's village. So in this entire area, this is like a very small village. In this entire area, the old fishermen of Portugal, they still live. They catch fish every morning and they sell it.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Lovely.
So,
And you. Have a nice time.
obrigado.
Ciao.
So finally we're at their old town, and it's looking so beautiful. It's such a small, nice, pretty looking street. Now we need to look for a place which has the match screening. Excited to see the match?
Yes.
Spain versus Portugal in Portugal. Who are we supporting? Portugal.
Have
Rolando.
Rolando.
Rolando बनोगे? आप क्या बनोगे?
Mousy.
So every nook and corner there is a screening happening. and we're trying to find a nice spot to sit. It feels like the entire city is here. Oh, gaya. Spain just scored a goal. Table mil gaya finally, in the middle of the street. Ronaldo just scored a goal. Completely full, packed. This match has become more interesting. Full time khatam ho gaya, extra time khatam ho gaya. Now it's gone to penalties. Entire city of Albufeira is here, I feel. Abhi we tried to go there on that street and we miserably failed. We came back. मतलब बंदे पे बंदा चढ़ा हुआ है, इतनी भीड़ है यहाँ पे. Right. बीच में मारेगा. Spain missed a penalty.
Tomorrow night also. कल वापस आते हैं. I know, but they have been ना.
Lisbon is more fun. Lisbon,
Every street.
Okay, so we're done with their concert. अभी ये खत्म होने वाला है, so that's why we're leaving a little early ताकि हम आराम से crowd को beat करके आगे जा पाए.
Whichever day. We are on vacation. We don't know what day it is.
Okay, so that's it for day 5. This was such a lively night. The entire street was buzzing with energy. See you in the next one.